got you a present. No, but seriously, in this video we're gonna do something really fun. Welcome back to another video, guys. In this one I actually went because the Christmas holiday season is upon us, and I got things from Five Below. So what is Five Below? Essentially it's a store where everything's $5 and under. Times is timesing, and we know in this economy we want to keep it real simple. I'm gonna help you guys out by showing you some of the coolest things I found. Come on, it's an AirPod. This sent me. This is innovation. This is the future. I'm gonna go through this amazing stack of things in the back here, and you can pick some favorites. Again, it's Five Below, not sponsored, but I really thought these were some cool things that I found when I was sifting through their technology. I went there specifically looking for some Minecraft stuff for myself and my setup that I have in my room. So I was like, I found some. I did. You'll see them. But we're gonna also test them out. First things first, I was looking on the shelves and I found, it's called True Wireless Speaker. So it came in this box, but it's literally, it's an AirPod. It's this, and it's a wireless Bluetooth speaker. Apparently it can hook up to your laptop and everything. It's rechargeable, got a built-in microphone, and it's portable, obviously. Now I don't know as far as standing. I don't know, I guess because it's an AirPod, they expect you to just lay it down because it does not stand up. But the speaker's on this side, so either way I'll probably lay it down. But it's so cute. So this one goes up to 5 hours of playtime, and I was playing it earlier, so I'll show you guys like the audio quality. I don't know how well you can hear it in the video, but I'll turn it all the way up. It's really loud. Fun one, mainly for the shape. I'm not gonna say it's for the audio quality, but it's definitely for the shape. It's fun. Okay, next up, I have not opened this yet, so I'm excited about this one. It's a retro video game console. What does that mean? I'm from 1995. Retro is, I guess, around then. It's got a, I'm gonna guess that's a 28 centimeter screen. You see a little TV screen there, and it looks like the little analog TVs, but it does have 200 video games on this bad boy. He's really small, so let's open him up and try him out. It looks like this. Oh my god, it's the little TV. Look at the little TV. Wait. So I found a little charger, and I plugged it in the back because it's dead as hell. So I guess we're gonna come back to this one and we'll see if he's broken or he's working. Okay, exciting, at least for me. It's Minecraft, rechargeable battery, adjustable headband, built-in microphone, volume reduced headset. If you're worried about your kids going deaf on them games. So it's got the built-in mic and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and we can take a look at the design a little bit. I know it's Minecraft and I was like, oh god, sold. Now audio quality wise, I don't know what I'm expecting. It's probably that kind of muffled audio quality that we're getting from like the speakers, but you know what? It's still cute, it's still aesthetic, and it's definitely in budget. This is what we have here. So it's wireless. That's really cool. The power button's like right there on the bottom. I will say like the materials, it's plastic, okay? It's like a little toy, but it's padded, it's well padded. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Yeah, this one's blinking, so I'm gonna pair it with my phone. Oh, it's playing. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, this is way better than I was expecting. What the heck? Yo, this is great. I can hardly hear myself. Okay, no way. Okay, honestly, for kids, this is crazy. Impressive. Okay. Damn. god, wow. Golly. So anyway, yeah, that's the Mojang Studios. I guess that's why. I don't know. Mojang, way to go on the audio. Kid safe headphones. So if there's an adult version, I would like that one. But this one's nice and it's comfortable on the ears. Even if it's a little small, it's for kidlings. But I like it. And our little TV is still dead as hell, so we'll come back to it. I'll leave it to charge. Okay, now, you guys, exciting. What is this? It's Pac-Man. So Pac-Man chases turn to blue. Look at that. And Blinky chases Pac-Man. After 15 seconds or a successful collision, Blinky changes colors too. We're gonna go ahead and try them out. So it's remote control Pac-Man and Blinky. This one was so adorable when I saw it. I love retro arcade games and things like that. I grew up playing these, so I was very excited to bring this home, try it out. Yo, okay, so when you open the box, look. They got wheels on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put them on the ground.
1 hour later.
So this is a journey. I am currently looking for batteries. Okay, so you actually need 8 batteries, 4 each for these. And then you need 2 batteries each for these. You need AA for the remotes. So that's 4 AA batteries, and then you'll need 8 AAA batteries. So keep that in mind if you are buying this set. It takes a lot of batteries. You also make sure that you have a screwdriver that is this size. Very small. It's a small screwdriver. So if you don't have that, you can't open the back. It's really secure. Anyway, let me battery up. And then we can try this out. Hopefully it's worth it. All right, we're ready. You want beef? You want beef, son? Ah! For these ones, they're really cool. The wheels did pretty good on the carpet. And when they hit each other, if you noticed, this one will turn red. So that's a really cute incorporation there. Now we check back in with our little retro TV and it's still dead as a doornail, but guess what? Now I have batteries and a screwdriver. So I'm gonna try to put the batteries in there and maybe, just maybe, it'll work. We have another really interesting one. I wasn't sure when I saw it on the shelf, right? It's actually it's a phone. So what this does ultimately is it pairs with your actual phone and you can take calls on it. I'm gonna try it out. We've turned on the banana phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair the banana phone in my phone settings. Phone receiver. Got it. That was really simple. So turn up the volume. I'm gonna call Ariel. Hold on. Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, you hear me properly? I'm talking through the banana phone. I know, it's crazy. It's completely normal? Oh, it sounds like I'm talking through AirPods. Okay, cool. All right, well, there you have it. Thank you for your review. So I guess if you have music playing from your phone, it also transmits through said banana. If you like some unique presents, this definitely tops the list here. And again, good for the price. It's not bad. I didn't expect it to work that well. It was pretty cute. Now, I got my screwdriver for the retro TV. I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries in there. I will tell you guys, For a lot of these gifts, make sure you have screwdrivers of the right size and make sure you got your batteries ready. Cool. Oh! I do recommend if you're gonna get stuff like this, or the retro TV that take batteries, rechargeable batteries. You can buy them on Amazon or you know, wherever sells electronics of that sort, and you'll be able to use batteries over and over instead of disposing of them in the life. Definitely recommend that. Yo, it's working. Oh snap! Crap, I ran into the... Okay. Oh, damn. I'm winning. I got 4,000. It got 1,000. I will say, if you hear the audio, it sounds like the audio is messing up a bit. But the game itself is running smoothly, so... Crap. Okay, I gotta stop playing this. I gotta stop. Oh my god, it's fighting. What? Kick your ass. Oh! Okay, so a lot of these are versus a computer. Oh shit. Come on. Oh! I won that round. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll be honest, that one's a really good one, especially if you're like, it's like a idle game. And there's 200 games on that bad boy. And it actually works pretty well. It's adorable. I think this is my favorite one, actually. This is really cool. It takes you back a little bit, especially with the little TV box. So I think that's adorable. Our last and final one. It's headphones. It is. So the charger is right here. And on the side we have the controls. See that? I'm gonna turn them on and try them out. Oh, it's and it's charging. So we'll come back to that. Ooh, the lighting left us. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try out the headset. It should have a little juice in it now. Wow. The audio is actually really good. Like, I can barely hear myself talking, like. And you can switch the song with this. Wow, the audio quality is so good. I am shocked. Like, I'm thoroughly shocked with the quality of audio on these. Insane. Wow. This audio quality is amazing. I think these two have amazing audio quality. Jeez, man. Way to go. Okay, so anyway, that wraps up our amazing, interesting gifts that we got going there. So yeah, favorites, I'm not gonna lie, it's probably the retro TV set. And I don't know, maybe the Minecraft headset. Oh my god, there's one more. Hold on. Guys, it's okay. So when I saw it, I wasn't sure how this would work, but it's a Minecraft arcade air hockey table. And I'm gonna guess it takes hella batteries, as a lot of these things do. So let's open it up. I completely forgot about this one. It's 21 inches assembled length. It has the iconic Minecraft music, and you play with your favorite characters, 14 cards included. What? Okay, cool. Oh my god, this is so cute. Shut the front door, what? Holy smoke. Okay, let me figure this out. Oh, batteries. Yeah, okay, so I gotta install the batteries. You'll put the stickers on the side of this. So I guess you'll put it like here. Along the trim, you'll put the stickers. But where the hell is the air hockey thingies? It's not here. Y'all aren't gonna believe this. It came with this. And it came with all the instructions and everything. However, we're missing the pucks and we're missing the little handles that you play the game with. So we cannot use our Minecraft air hockey table, which really, really sucks. I feel like it would have been really, really cool. Yeah. So, yeah. I will say, if it comes to quality, again, you guys, these are really affordable gifts. So certain things like the remote back of the Pac-Man set was threaded, so it was very hard to open. The plastic is not the highest quality plastic, and like how this is missing parts, yeah, things like that might happen. So just make sure that you got all your parts in there and everything. Make sure you keep your receipts in case you need to get stuff fixed or repaired or replaced or returned. I'm gonna go back, get the rest of my game, and possibly try it in a future video. But those were some really fun gifts that were included in here that I managed to find. Oh my god, this is the back of the thing. Yeah, so hope you found something you like. Just so you know the quality we're working with here, I'm not gonna lie, on audio, Five Below really came through. So audio's not bad. The audio quality has really gotten better. I remember back when I was growing up, if they said like a cheap headset, it was a cheap headset. But these are really good. Mojang definitely came through. And so did amazing Bass Jacks. I don't even know them. But way to go, guys. So yeah, if you want something for kids to listen to, something for you to even listen with, these are they're delivering, especially for the price. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe if you found it entertaining. If you found it useful, hit that beautiful bell notification button, get notified every time I post a video. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for being here with me, and on to the next video.